Hi, I'm Dominique Vernier and welcome to this video series on the IBM SmartCloud Application Workload Service. Today I will show you how to use the IBM Zend Server pattern for PHP on the SmartCloud Application Workload Service. So we have two pattern types for the Zend Server pattern for PHP, the enterprise one and the professional one. So you can check the Zend website to know the difference between those two pattern types. So let's create a new pattern based on this pattern type. So I start the virtual application builder, and you will see here I have a number of components. So I have my Zend Server Enterprise with PHP 5.4. I have a load balancer for Zend and a database. The database is used for the clustering environment. So let's drag and drop my Zend Server here like this. I have to provide a password, and I can add also a scaling policy to this server. Here I can choose go for a static policy or a CPU based policy to deploy multiple Zend server in case of the CPU reach a certain threshold. So as I use the scaling policy, I have to add also MySQL database to manage my cluster, provide a password and link the Zend server to this database. I can also add a load balancer and just link this load balancer to my Zend server. So this is done. Now I can save my pattern. So just give it a name, demo, done. It is saved. Now I can deploy my pattern. So let's deploy it. Just click here on deploy. I can choose the size of my infrastructure, I would like to deploy, small, medium or large, the type of license, and if I would like to pay hourly or monthly. So just click OK, and the deployment will start. Now I can check the deployment. So we see here the deployment is going on. So I already deployed another environment, and I can check here my Zend Enterprise server. Here I am. I enter and my password, and here I have the Zend server with a number of capabilities to manage my application, to manage the configurations and so on. So this is done, and we can also access the load balancer. So I close this one and I can open the load balancer here, and here we are. I have the load balancer. It was Dominique Vernier. I hope you enjoyed this short video demonstrating the usage of the IBM Zend pattern for PHP on the SmartCloud Application Workload Service.